Hi friends. Friends, today in this video we're going to know what will be the price for installing the WPC panels and what are the advantages. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. WPC panels, which are called wood plastic composite, which offers several advantages which makes them a popular choice for interior and exterior wall claddings. It has some best advantages. Like first one is the durability. WPC panels are highly durable and resistant to wear and tear, so making them a long-term use, ideal for to use a long term. They are resistant to moisture, termites, unlike the natural wood, and its maintenance is also very low compared to traditional wood or other materials. A simple wipe of occasional cleaning surface required to looking new. So friends, now we'll know what will be the price for installing this type of wall panels. So let's take some example. So if I want to install, on the wall size will be 10 by 12. So the total size of the wall will be 120 square feet, and one panel size comes in 9.6 into 6 inches. So one panel which cover the area is total 5 square feet. So for the 120 square feet wall you require minimum 24 wall panels, and the wall panels price is 700 rupees to 900 rupees per panel. So let's we take 800 rupees per panel. So if you multiply with this required number of panels into 800 rupees, 24 into 800, it will cost 19,200 rupees. So the wall panel will cost you 19,200 rupees. This is only the panel's price. So to install the wall panels on the wall you require some fastener clips. So to install one panel you require the 3 fastener clips, and so for 24 panels you require 72 clips. If you multiply 24 into 3, the count will come 72, and one clip is price is 6 rupees. So if you multiply 72 into 6, it will cost 432 rupees. So for the fastener clips you will cost 432 rupees. Another material which is required is the corner profile. So you have two corner of the wall, so you require two numbers of corner profile, and each profile will cost you 500 rupees. So for both you will cost 1000 rupees. So now we will add all total material cost. Like first one is the wall panel price, which is 19,200. Second one is the fastener clips, which will cost 432 rupees, and plus the profile corner, it will cost 1000 rupees. So if we'll add this everything, you will get 20,632 rupees. So the total material cost is 20,632 rupees, and after that you have to add labor price. The minimum labor rate is 30 rupees to 35 rupees per square feet. So if we'll take 35 rupees as a per square feet, so our wall size is 120 square feet. So if we'll multiply with 120 into 35, it will cost 4,200 rupees. So the total labor cost, it will come 4,200 rupees, and the material price is 20,632. So the total price for installation of the WPC wall panel for the area of 10 by 12 is equal to 24,832 rupees. The price may be vary, depends on the quality of panels, the location which you and the labor price, but that must be not in so difference. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. Nowadays, WPC wall panels have become the popular choice for interior and even in the exterior wall cladding. They come in a variety of textures, colors and finishes that mimic natural wood other materials, providing a premium look. The panels can be customized to fit modern or traditional design preference. WPC panels are also waterproof and resistant to weather conditions, so making them suitable for both interior and exterior. And one of the best advantages of WPC panels is it is easy to install because it is very lightweight and often come with interlocking systems that simplify the process. And WPC panels are also less prone to scratches and stains, ensuring a clean and polished look over the time. So WPC panels combine the natural appeal of wood with the